What's going on, guys and girls? I found some alfredo sauce at Walmart. This Rayo's homemade. It's 4-cheese alfredo. 1/4 cup. It's 1 gram total carbs for that 1/4 cup. That's pretty damn good. We're going to have that with chicken tonight. Chicken wraps is what we're planning on having. I'm about ready to pick a chicken here in a few minutes. Usually get rotisserie chickens from Walmart. These are be an easy meal for anybody. A little bit of nothing on the carbs. Probably going to pick about half of that, just pick it in shreds and put it on some burritos, and pour a little bit of that alfredo sauce over the chicken. Should be good. All right, we got our chicken picked. Now we just need to get our burrito shells. I always use these you can see the name of them there. I can't pronounce it. Carb Counter tortilla wraps. They're 0 carb. I get these at Sam's Club. And here's the breakdown on those. 13 grams total carbs. Then you minus the 12 grams dietary fiber and minus the 1 gram of allulose. I guess that's how you say it. That's a type of sweetener. It's supposed to be really good for you. So it comes to 0 net carbs. As you can see, these are pretty good sized shells. They're soft. And you just spread your chicken on there, and then we're going to spread our Rayo's alfredo cheese. Alright, Lori's gonna put as much chicken on there as we need to. I try to help her out by picking it and warming up the alfredo sauce. This is the first time we've tried this alfredo sauce. It looked pretty good. I usually eat about 3. Alright, we'll let you know how this tastes here in a few minutes when we get it ready to sit down. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Alright, guys and girls, there's the outcome of it. 3 burritos. Alfredo sauce, 4-cheese, Rayo's. I'm about to test it out. See how it tastes. Man, that's good. That's the best thing I've had in weeks. Try it out, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button there. Hit that bell notification up there. That way you'll know when I upload another video. Have a good one, guys. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy these burritos later.